Yes. Yes, we're going to the filling station. Filling station, yes. Okay, thank you.
Nagpipicture pa, sir.
Okay, go up, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, so beautiful girls here. Ali like. Yes. How much? Cheesecake, 270. Hello. Table 4? For 2, yes. Gas station. Menu check.
Maybe we can go with this. Want to eat or not?
The cake full already. We eat in restaurant.
Cake only.
Cake, yes, cake.
Cake. I need cake only. Blueberry or not? Blueberry pie or not?
Blueberry is okay.
Mango. This one, mango please. Or mango please. Or 2 cakes.
Beta blueberry cake.
Blueberry cake or blueberry pie? Different name.
Palabok, 280. Oh, 290, 290. Palabok.
For blueberry. It's only blueberry cheesecake. It's 270. What you want?
I want take video first because I want to take show menu, okay? You can wait.
Ano na?
Serve na po ba kayo? Okay.
Yan mo. Ayan na.
I take your order. 1 hot tea, 1 ice coffee mocha, 1 apple pie slice.
Is this? Not clear what that is.
Take a look, this is. Many girls outside. It's hot water. Hot tea. This is Lipton tea. Okay. What you want? You can use this. This one is okay. Oh, this is apple pie. How much? 160 peso.
180, 180.
180.
It's not small.
This is
180.
180.
90.
90 peso.
But we can-
Lipton tea.
But we can together here.
Yes, because it's for us it's enough. It's one tea.
So big already because we ate already 2 cakes in
Yes.
IKEA.
Yes, okay.
Sasayaw na yata kayo.
Ha?
Kasi tinanggal mo yung mask mo eh. Parang sabihin mo nga kay Sir Jeff, kung nandiyan siya. Sir Jeff!
Oh, excellent. Forgot. Yeah.
Kain din.
Oh, silent here. so many. I know, share. No, before I have same phone. Before. You know how to use. You know how to use. Not need to like this. Need you know like this.
Turn like this.
Yes, like this. Need.
Ayun, it's okay. I'm not-
Really?
I'm
Okay.
not ate already. That's
Okay.
fine.
Yes.
Sir, update po to sa pwede natin sa table.
Oh, already many people outside.